Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi and today my topic is about Parkinson's disease. It is a chronic progressive neurodegenerative disorder in which slow down the voluntary movement of body parts with the muscle tone changed and tremor at rest. The etiology, the exact cause is unknown. Following factors may be responsible for Parkinson's disease, that is genetic factor, advancing age above 60 or mostly seen, head injury or not like neuroleptics, anti-emetic drugs, etc., and exposure to toxin and low production of dopamine. The pathogenesis of Parkinson's disease is the degeneration of dopamine production, deficiency of dopamine, the normal balance between dopamine and acetylcholine, disturbed motor control, cognitive tremor, rigidity, bradykinesia, and Parkinson's disease. The clinical manifestation is slow movement, tremors, trembling, low volume of speech, dropping of saliva, constipation, tendency to fall backward, or depression. So this is the pathogenesis and etiology of Parkinson's disease. In the non-pharmacological management, this disease is beneficial under guidance of expert exercise trainer. The pharmacological management in this, the levodopa medicine should be given. Dopamine agonist, that is bromocriptone, propinerol, they work like dopamine or dopamine receptors, and MAO inhibitors, that is acetylcholine and citalopram, and anticholinergic drugs like benztropine and procyclidine can be used. And other is the Alzheimer's disease, is also chronic irreversible neurodegenerative disease which gradually destroys the ability to think, remember, learn, and evolve memory loss. Etiology is neurochemical factors, acetylcholine, norepinephrine, somatostatin, norepinephrine substance feed, and genetic factors, environmental factors, addiction, smoking, cholesterol level, drugs, metal is a toxic and advancing age above 65. The pathogenesis degeneration of neurochemicals is due to neurological factors, deficiency in neurochemicals, and Alzheimer's disease. So this is the pathogenesis and etiology of Alzheimer's disease. Thank you.